Let's sow our biannual flowers ready for next year. Welcome to Gardening with Ben. In today's video, we're going to be sowing our biannual flowers, which means that we sow them this year and next year should, fingers crossed, they should flower. So let's see what seeds we are planting today. Today we are planting our wallflowers. Never grown these before, so these will be nice, hopefully, if they grow. 500 seeds in there, blimey. I don't think we'll be growing all them, but we'll give it a try. I always plant the whole packet. I don't know if you like me, but I always plant the whole packet. Next up, we have got Sweet William. Absolutely gorgeous. Again, never tried these before, so the first time trying them. 200 seeds in that one. So if all these grow, our allotment's going to look beautiful next year. Next up, we have got foxgloves. Absolutely gorgeous, and the bees love them. Guess how many seeds are in this one? 26,000. Can you imagine it? 26,000 foxgloves. But yeah, let's try them ones. Next up is forget-me-nots. Again, another one that I've never tried. I'm trying lots of new seeds. I always love to experiment in trying new things. If you don't try it, you don't know if they'll grow well or not. So 1,000 seeds in that one. Then we've got some primulas. Now these are obviously for growing outdoors and they'll look absolutely gorgeous. The only thing is with primulas, when the flowers die off, they look awful. So I'll have to keep the head in them. But yeah, 65 seeds in that one, so not as many. Then we've got these hollyhock. Never grown them before either. So hopefully they'll have some nice flowers on them. Only 50 seeds in this one, but they do grow nice and tall, and as you can see, they look absolutely gorgeous once they're grown. So we'll see how we get on with them. Ones that I have grown before and done successfully are lupins. Absolutely gorgeous. The plants won't be massive in the first year, but hopefully after a couple of years they'll get bigger and bigger. So we'll get them sown. They're nice and easy to grow them. I've sown them before. And a winter vegetable, which I've never tried before. I talked about it in my August video of what seeds to grow. So I thought I'd give it a try myself, because what's the point in talking about it if you don't try it? So yes, we're going to be trying Chinese cabbage. So yeah, we're going to be sowing these, and then you harvest them around April to October. So yeah, we'll give them a try, see how well they get on. 220 seeds in there. That'll keep me going through winter. But yeah, let's get all these sown. Let's get them labelled up. Always label up. One thing I always forget to do. And I have plenty of labels. I've bought them all. As they reduce them in Morrison's, they're reducing all the plant section, so I bought a load. And yeah, let's get all these sown. So that was a mammoth job sowing all them seeds. We got them all sown. Some of them needed 2 trays because of how many seeds were in the packet. But yeah, we just need to give them a good soak now and give them that kickstart to start growing. So yeah, they're all nicely watered now. So we've just got to let them germinate, hopefully, over the next couple of weeks. It's nice and warm in this polytunnel. So yeah, hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll get some nice flowers for next year. So make sure you drop us a follow to see how well we keep up to date when we do our allotment tours. Until next time, everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.